What's up, y'all? It's D-Side. We back at it again with the back at it again, but this time I literally have a treat in store for you. I'm showing you how to make my world famous strawberry cheesecake. I'm sure a lot of people are terrified to make cheesecake because every time they ask someone who know how to make it, they're just like, oh, if you mess up one thing, you're gonna ruin your life. And they just make it seem like rocket science. And I'm like, no, it's not difficult. Like, it ain't that difficult. Just have fun. So for my cheesecake, for the filling, all you need is 4 packages of cream cheese, 4 large eggs, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So the first thing you want to do is get you a nice large bowl like me. I'm classy. So yeah, you want to take your cream cheese and just throw it in there. Just throw all of it up in there. And then you want to beat it until it's smooth. Then you want to add your sugar, eggs, lemon juice, and vanilla. And you just want to beat that until it's well, until there's no clumps, until everything is mixed in good. And as you all see, I'm scraping the side of the bowl because, you know, you gotta be mixed. Like, I don't want no lumps and clumps and none of that. And if you're not happy with my recipe, then you just a tasteless, classless chick. Like, that's just you. But as you see, I did add a little splash of lemon juice because I don't know, I just wanted a little bit more. So yeah, you can obviously alter this recipe. It's up to you. And you can also add ingredients that I didn't list. Just have fun with it. I know y'all gonna shoot me dead for this, but I do not care, okay? I gotta keep it ratchet. You understand? Keeping it ratchet all 2019. So I'm using a store-bought crust. Obviously, it's not a big deal. Making crust is not rocket science. A 3-year-old can do it, let's be honest. So you just want to pour this into there. I pour mine towards the center, let it spread out because I'm a bad chick. That's what we do. And yeah, you're going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Now it's time to make our topping. Once the cheesecake is done cooking, we are going to remove it from the oven and allow it to cool down for 15 minutes. And I like to do this while I'm making my topping. You know, I just don't like to sit around waiting. Like, no, that's boring. So on to the topping. You're going to need 2 cups of sour cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that's it. You just want to whisk it all together, make sure everything is nice and smooth, and then you're going to just pour it all on top of the cheesecake, spread it across, make sure everything is nice and even and pretty, however you want to do it. And then we're going to cook it for an additional 5 minutes, and when we remove it from the oven, we are going to allow it to cool down to its room temperature, and then we're going to refrigerate it for 24 hours. And y'all, I know this sour cream type of thing probably got y'all a little setback, like, ugh, what is that? But trust me, it's delicious. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look, you can't even, girl, my strawberries look a little, oh, hold on. Girl, my brother bought these strawberries on Friday. When did I cook this cheesecake? On a Thursday? He wanted this cheesecake for Easter, but I cooked it so late. Okay, girl, okay, act like this is sponsored. All right, so what you want to do is you want to remove the leaf from the strawberry because why? Like, who would want to eat that? Then you just want to half it because, you know, we're going to cook it and it's going to go across the cheesecake. No one wants to bite into the cheesecake and just have a whole strawberry in their mouth. Like, that's too much. It's too much. But no, basically all you want to do right now is take the entire container of strawberries and just like half them. Oh my God. Girl, drop my phone. I forgot that was in there. Girl, you gotta do better with your editing. How you gonna get 1 million subscribers? Oh my God. All right, once we toss in our strawberries like a maniac, we're gonna, I was gonna say apply. Girl, I'm so used to doing hair videos. I'm talking about apply. We're just gonna add 1/4 cup of sugar. And I know I told y'all to zest one lime, but please don't do that, girl. Because that lime was so, like, in your face. Like, it was so, like, and I'm like, girl, oh my God, calm down. Like, the lime was at a 10. And I needed to be at a 3. If you a lime fan, do your thing. But baby, if you a normal person like me, just do one little section. Don't go around and do the whole lime. All right, and then you want to stir this continuously. Just keep on stirring it, keep on stirring it. And I'll be back. We just stirring it for now. All right, once it starts to bubble up like it's doing, you do want to turn down the heat. Like, turn down the heat. Turn off the light. Okay, if y'all didn't get the joke, stop. It ain't funny. So this is how it look once it's done simmering for 23 minutes. And I did forget to add the cornstarch, so I'm doing it right now. So yeah, I'm adding, what is it, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm just going to stir it up, mix it up, blah, blah, blah. Let it cook for a smidget more, and that's it. Last but not least, we're going to make our whipping cream. I hate when people last but not least, like, that's like saying last but not least, decide. Like, bro, you call me last, I'm offended. Like, shut up. Don't last but not least. Girl, shut up. Okay, so we're going to take 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1/4, what is it, 1/4 cup of sugar. My brain left me. 1/4 cup of sugar. And you're just gonna like beat it until it turns fluffy, until it look like whipped cream. And once it look like whipped cream, stop. Like, oh girl, I added a splash of vanilla extract, really 2 splashes, because I do my thing, but I added 2 splashes of vanilla extract because I like the taste of it. And yeah, once it looks like this, once it's nice and fluffy, stop. I said fluffy. Once it's nice and fluffy, stop, because it will turn into butter if you overbeat it. Okay, don't be confused like at the words at the bottom left when it said the next day. I didn't allow the strawberry sauce to sit anywhere for 24 hours. I was saying that this is the next day because I cooked the strawberry glaze and the whipped cream. I did those both like after I removed the cheesecake from being in the refrigerator for 24 hours. So yeah, then you just want to apply that to the girl. Not apply, you just want to like spoon it on top of the cheesecake and spread it all out, and boom, you done. And that's it. Cut your slice, get you some whipped cream, get you some whatever you want to get, cuddle up in bed, Netflix and chill, do your thing. Okay, that's it. This is a horrible outro. I do apologize. I was hungry. I just went and ate. Thanks for watching though.
Whoa, okay, whoa, Holiday, wait, hold on, Holiday.
Alright, I'm including this in the end of my video, and I probably start including this in all of my videos because, I don't know, I guess y'all don't read my description box. A lot of you are upset with me because y'all think I disabled the comments on all of my videos, but no, I did not do that. I would never do that. Actually, YouTube has disabled comments on my videos along with millions of other videos that feature minors, and it's basically to protect those minors, because we all know that I do upload linking to my channel, like I upload hair tutorials and just morning routines and everything. And I don't know, I guess y'all was speaking horrible about him in the comment section and YouTube caught on to it, so they just disabled my comments to protect him and other minors. And I will have the link to this article down below. So yeah, come on, read. Like, reading is fundamental. Like, a lot of people always like, oh my god, you disabled your comments. I didn't. Do you not read my description box? So yeah, please click the link down below. And yeah, YouTube disabled the comments, not me. Don't be mad at me. And don't be sad, even though my comments on my videos are disabled, my community tab is still up, it's still going, it's still flowing. So all you have to do is you have to visit my channel, which is Sade. So just click up on my channel and then you click on the community tab. And every time I upload a video, I'll post the thumbnail to the community tab. So y'all can just check there. Like, any comment that you will leave up on a video, just leave it under the picture of the thumbnail. You get it? Hopefully y'all will catch on to it. If not, you know, I keep that in mind when I do my giveaways. I'm just saying. So bye y'all.